So for our feature this week, we got something a little bit different. This is one we just got in, a 2016 Ford Transit 350 XLT trim. This has got the 3.7 liter V6 in it. Like I say, the 350, so the 1-ton chassis. And this is a 12-passenger van, something just very scarce. We just don't see hardly any of anymore in our particular market. This one's got right at 120,000 miles. We've been through it and all checked out well. It did need tires, so we just put a brand new set of Firestone Transforce tires on it. And so they're all brand new. You won't have to worry about that for quite a while. And they are rated for this size vehicle. XLT trim's got the cloth interior and your base power options. You get the 2 front buckets. You got a 3-passenger seat behind that. Another 3 behind that with a walk-through to the rear seat, which has seating for 4. You've got ducts that go all the way down the center of the roof line, which provide air to all the passengers. You can control that from the front. Got a lot of glass in this van, real easy to see out of. It's all tinted, so it'll be helpful with this Texas heat. Kind of the higher roof van. It's not actually the raised roof, but it is a nice high roof, so you got quite a bit of headroom in it still. A nice spacious cabin area. You got the big double doors, easy to get in and out of. Actually, an extra step for stepping up in there. The rear cargo space. I got the barn style doors. Tons of area back here. If you want to haul people and cargo, this is pretty well going to be your best bet. Lots of just square open space back here. You can stack stuff all the way to the ceiling in these. And worst case scenario, if you actually needed even more luggage space, you could unbolt that rear seat there and give you some more space for cargo. Nice large step there for stepping in and out of it if you needed to do that to get in and out. There's those brand new Transforce tires we got. Really slick body on this thing, no damage. Driver's area here. Just got your power windows and door lock switches. And some side storage spaces there in the door panels. And the fuel door on these is right here by the driver door. You just open that up. This is the no cap system, so it's real easy to get to. Got all your AM, FM, CD, satellite, automatic transmission, all your controls, and a little console storage space there. This one's got tilt, cruise, and then this one also has the screen for the backup camera. Take a look at it here in just a sec. That screen right there is your information screen, but also acts as the backup camera, which is really nice in a vehicle this big, even though it is very easy to see out of. This will be on the website right now, browningsreliable.net. Take a look at all the pictures inside out. Carfax report, it's a 2-owner Carfax that'll be attached to that listing there. Take a look at that. And give us a call at 940-696-2277 if you want to talk to us about it or have any questions about it and the financing that's available. Or you can come by our store here at 4570 Seymour Highway. We're right on the corner of Seymour Highway and Fairway, just down from United Market Street. Come by and see us, and we'll be glad to talk to you about it.